Welcome to the Influence Factor. Today I'll show you how to make money online. Stay tuned. Many people think social media success requires a huge following. But the truth is, you can profit without millions of followers. Let's break down how you can make money using social media in simple steps. First, choose a niche that interests you. A niche is a specific topic or area you are passionate about. This could be cooking, fitness, beauty, or travel. Focus on what excites you and can attract others. Next, create valuable content around your niche. This could be tutorials, tips, or reviews. Your goal is to provide value to your audience. Engaging content draws people in, encourages shares, and builds your following. Building your audience comes next. Use hashtags, join groups, and interact with others. Respond to comments and messages. Create connections. The more you engage, the more followers you'll gain. Genuine engagement builds trust. Once you have an audience, explore monetization options. Affiliate marketing is a great choice. Promote products related to your niche and earn a commission on sales. Choose products you believe in, as honesty matters. Sponsored posts are another option. Brands pay you to promote their products. Reach out to businesses that align with your content. Show them your following and engagement rates. Propose collaboration ideas that benefit both parties. Selling your own products or services is also an option. Consider creating an online course, ebooks, or merchandise. This allows you to directly profit from your expertise and reach. Influencer marketing can also boost your earnings. As your following grows, brands may approach you for partnerships. They value your audience and will pay you for exposure. Let's look at an example. Sarah loves cooking health-focused meals. She starts posting recipes on Instagram. She engages with followers and shares tips. Soon, she partners with a meal kit company for sponsored posts. She adds affiliate links to her favorite kitchen tools. Sarah turns her passion into profit, without being a celebrity. In summary, you can make money on social media without fame. Choose your niche, create valuable content, engage your audience, and explore monetization. Remember, success takes time and effort but is achievable. Ready to start your journey to earning money online? Choose your niche today and take your first step. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe the Influence Factor for more tips on making money online.